let's get into it. Now, you've got a couple different ways you can use your VA loan. Obviously, you can use it to purchase, which is, pretty standard. You're buying a house, so you're going to go talk to a military mortgage advisor, certified lender, and get the process started to purchase a house. Now, you can also use it to do a cash out refinance. What is that? That's you've lived in the property for a little bit of time now. You've built up some equity, and let's say you want to do a rehab project and you don't necessarily have the funds and you're just sitting around in your bank account, or you don't want to use those, you can tap into that equity and refinance your rate into what current rates are and pull out that equity. And then you've got a streamlined, just an interest rate reduction refinance loan. What we call in the business is an EARL. And that's just where you're going to go from one rate to the new standard rate. So, a little bit about the history of the VA loan. The VA loan was introduced in 1944 to give veterans access to loans for homes, farming, and businesses. So, why did they do this? Because they understood that us veterans were making a sacrifice for our country, and so they wanted to honor that in some way. And that's why they gave us the zero down VA loan. So, reserves and National Guard did not become eligible until 1992. Now they do have a little bit of different eligibility criteria now, but the loan is available to you guys. So despite a great deal of confusion and misunderstanding, the federal government does not make direct loans under the act. So I get asked this all the time. So I'm getting my money from the VA. Is this going to take forever? No, guys, you don't get it from the VA. The VA loan is funded 100% by investors. It is just backed by the government.
And another thing to add that we often hear is that the VA loan the rates are set by the VA, and that is also not true.
Yes.